North Pole Pals? Mine is yours. Chris Kringle. Oh my goodness. What is it? It's a North Pole Pal, and you get to collect them all and
then eat them.
Chill with your North Pole Pals.
Sweet. Chocolate, chocolate, chocolate.
That's North Pole candy.
That's North Pole food. That's all they eat.
Oh,
funny.
Dopey face. Bam.
I like these boots. You think they'll fit Nana?
Still. Guess what? Still spinning. Slowing down.
What do you think, Maya?
Feeling cool.
It's in there. Get in there. OMG.
They fit her.
Wrong foot, one thing.
Riri.
Watch where they're going. Fit you?
They're tight. My toes are sort of like that, but see if they fit you.
Probably some of these
Put your toe in there. Wow, those are some cute boots, man. Merry Christmas. I opened this one up. Merry Christmas. This one, Maya.
What? Fit me?
They do?
What's in the
All
wall?
right, we get to go snow caboose.
Nope,
What's it
girl.
called? What's it called?
Tubing.
Tubing.
Snow tubing.
Where we going? We going today?
Yeah!
I ain't going today.